Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! Are you ready to get creative? What will you build today? Ready, set, build! Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. You'll need to paint another terrain to complete this train set. Magnificent landscape! You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You're a most useful engineer. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. Did you hear that sound? It's time for a treasure hunt. Tap on the treasure chest if you're up for the challenge. Do you want to help me find a new treasure? Congratulations! What a fantastic train set! It's time to open your surprise. Tap on the surprise. You earned a new mini, Construction Thomas. You can use your finger to rotate the object. Splendid! Construction Thomas. Just drag a block over the grid with your finger and let it go. If you'd like to stop to look around, pull the big handle. Clear the tracks! Engine coming! Stop! All aboard! Classic Thomas. Spooky Thomas. The engines love that sound. You can start a new creation or continue this one. Are you sure you want to destroy this train set and start over? Choose which blueprint. This is your collection. It shows you the items you have yet to find inside surprise bags.